Imagine walking into a room and instantly making a great impression without saying a single word. What if I told you there's a simple psychological trick, backed by science, that can make people like you almost instantly? In the next 5 minutes, I'll reveal a subtle but powerful tool used by top negotiators, psychologists, and even spies. Use it right, and people will trust you, open up, and maybe even follow your lead. Let's dive in. We spend our lives trying to get people to like us, at school, at work, on dates. But most of us go about it the wrong way. It's not about being funny or attractive. It all starts with something called mirroring. Mirroring is when you subtly copy the body language, speech patterns, or emotions of another person. If someone leans forward, you lean forward. If they speak softly, you soften your tone. If they're excited, you reflect that energy. It sounds simple, but here's the crazy part. Our brains are wired to trust people who are like us. That's called the similarity attraction effect, and it's a real game changer. In one study by New York University, waiters who mimicked their customers' orders word for word got 70% more tips than those who didn't. Why? Because mirroring makes people feel heard, validated, and safe. The brain releases oxytocin, the trust hormone. And trust? That's the foundation of likability. But here's the thing. Mirroring isn't manipulation. Don't overdo it. Don't mimic like a parrot. People can sense when it's fake. Instead, focus on genuinely listening. Observe naturally. Use mirroring as a tool to connect, not to control. Try this the next time you're talking to a friend, colleague, or even a stranger. Mirror their posture, match their tone, then watch how the walls come down. Let's recap in 20 seconds. Mirroring equals subtle copying of someone's behavior. It builds connection and trust. It's backed by science. Use it ethically and watch your relationships transform. Want people to instantly feel like you get them? Mirror their words for just 60 seconds. Trust me, it works like magic. If you found this tip powerful, imagine what 10 more psychology hacks could do for your life. Hit subscribe, because I've got a whole series coming that will upgrade how you think, speak, and connect. Drop a comment. Have you ever noticed someone mirroring you? Did it feel good or creepy? I'll see you in the next one.